I am, in fact, in Mount Shasta. Devin, if they ask, I'm going to the bathroom. She's dancing.
Like a goose. Look at sweets. So don't soil like there. Maybe there's laying. I think it was very clear. Oh, we're also going to the waterfalls.
Your hair, like actual hair color is also.
Can you take a... Oh, I love this.
Might be too white for...
Okay.
We don't care about your friend.
Yeah, I like him, but I
Is sweet.
Hi, beautiful people. So I went to Sticker Planet in Los Angeles and I got stickers for you to see. So I went a little crazy, spent way too much money on stickers, but you know, it's okay. These are cats. They're so cute. I obviously had to get these ballet flat stickers. I got these snail stickers. Fairy magical stickers. Some shells. Teapots. or teacups. Angels. Kawaii puffy stickers. These little mother mice stickers. Some like snowflake. I think these are scratch and sniff stickers. I had to get these. These will probably just go on my wall because they're really cute like that. Same with these. These little mice. Puffy mice. A lot of them seem kind of mad, but it's funny. And
We should go to the barbecue HQ.
What's that? These Wizard of Oz stickers. There's a few that I haven't shown yet. These hummingbirds. These snail mail stickers. They're like they're supposed to be like stamps, but they're stickers. I thought they'd be cute for letters. Animals. Where the wild things are. And last but not least, I got this tin for trinkets. Because, I mean, look at this tin. It's way too cute. And so far, I have some beads inside. Oop, 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 they're rolling. They're rolling. I caught them. So, yeah. And also, I have this journal of my poems. So let me read you a poem. This is just a paper blank. You see these everywhere, like Barnes & Noble, and honestly, sometimes I see them and I'm like, I'm not gonna buy that. But once you have it and you see it out of context, they're really cute. So here's a poem that I wrote. Matcha makes me smile. The green magic in the clear glass. Ice shaking, micro movements, living energy going in my mouth. Visit the sequoia trees, so I was writing poems as I was with the trees. So this is one of them. I see you, do you see me? The whispers that I feel inside a hollow sequoia tree. People pleasing, mind is attuned to every movement to make things go smooth. Peace, 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 safety, safety, safety. Anti-ruffling feathers to avoid friction is fiction. Be real, release that feel. Your brain makes you think it's real. Illuminate your soul so it doesn't burn to coal. Pleasing others may taint your soul. Just a sneak peek.
Whoa.
This is kiwi. And then I don't know what color you would like. Reminds me of my tattoo. There you go. I've
got
never
those,
seen these
and I guess
before.
it's one of the.
guys, that pretty much sums up this video. Yes. I trim my bangs. But that sums up this video. I want to post it, so I'm going to post it. And I hope you enjoyed. It was a lot of nature, traveling, and honestly, it was such a fun trip. So I'm excited to share this vlog. Anyways, peace, love, and matcha.